I left university in 2016, and almost a year later, I was the guy who fixed computers and kept everything working properly. I was feeling bored. And then, after a year of saving money and resisting the temptation to buy the stuff I wanted, I arrived in Dublin. Without any English, Google Translate was my best friend at that period. In fact, DCU had been my choice since I saw it for the first time. Here, I have the necessary support from the office, and the facilities are amazing. These include the restaurant, supermarket, pharmacy, pub, gym, green areas, and a great library. On the first day, there is an introductory class where someone from the office explains everything about the campus and life in Dublin. To be honest, I didn't understand anything. The mix of nationalities in class is good. The students are from all over the world and teachers are well prepared to deal with this. There is a great atmosphere during the lessons and any doubts or questions are addressed by the friendly teacher. Joining the social activities is great fun, meeting new students, making new friends. I have gone on some trips. On one of them, we went to Clifford Moor. What a wonderful place! I am delighted with the experience I have been having. In my career, this experience will be a great advantage. I can say that I have studied in a university like DCU, and this is going to help so much in getting good position in a good company.